Today I'm gonna show you how you can free up storage space from your SSD or hard drive with inside of any version of Windows. I have Windows 10, but it will work same on other Windows versions such as 7, 8, 8.1. For a quick and important disclaimer before we jump into the video, it's important that you guys double check everything that you're about to delete on your system. Click on this PC and right-click on C Drive. Click on Properties. Then click on Disk Cleanup. Select Temporary Files, Recycle Bin as required, and click OK. Another way is, open this PC, and on search bar type, size, gigantic, and it will search for huge files. Before deleting these files, please double check. If you just want to delete temporary files, then press Windows R and type %temp %. Select all files by pressing Ctrl A and press Delete and OK. This may not delete all the files, but most of the huge and unnecessary files will be deleted to free up your hard drive storage. If you like the video, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.